Good morning. I hope you're all having a great day. Today we are doing something super exciting. We are going to a CycleBar class with Disney Studios in honor of the new Tron Ares movie that will be out on October 10th. I think this is an incredibly fun idea. You know, Lightcycle, CycleBar, I think it'll be really fun. The event is here in New York City, and before I head out, I wanted to show you my outfit because I'm really proud of how well I got it to match the movie. So we have this sparkly black zip up. I was actually supposed to wear this during the Jodie challenge this year with the matching set, but I'm thinking about wearing it again during a marathon I'm running later this month. And then under it, I found this set that matches the movie perfectly. So there's this sports bra with the Tron Ares kind of red color, and the back of the sports bra is kind of all crisscross. It's really cute. I love it. And then in the back, this is all mesh. I think it's going to be a really fun day, so let's head out and see what's in store. I just got here. I'm so excited. Everything is completely decked out for Tron, including the music in the background, which is all by 9 Inch Nails for the soundtrack of the new movie. Before the class started, we all got to mingle with each other, take pictures, and check out some really cool promotional items, which included light-up water bottles, glowing bracelets, and posters for the movie. In the Tron Ares movie, there is a highly sophisticated program, Ares, who is sent from the digital world into the real world on a dangerous mission, marking humankind's first encounter with AI beings.
Reach down, you add a quarter to the right. If you need to reset, everything to the left. This is in programs. $107. Gear light 345. Time is ticking down.
The way it makes me feel infection. It's almost like
We have to beat the system before we rest. 4, 3, 2, 1, push. Reach down, release it. Did you do it? Programs. Absolutely. You beat the duress. Big breath in. Elbows. Let's drop. And then go down. Right, left, let's go. Hold. Reach down. A quarter right. Add it. Another quarter comes on. You slow your legs. How we feeling? So let's get swollen. You got those 2 bars in front of you. 1 4-pound, 1 6-pound. Grab one, grab both, grab your towel. You can also say, Chelsea, I just de-res, need a moment. Take a moment. But if you're joining me, sit up tall, legs stay moving. Biceps. Squeeze. Option to use both or use your towel. Perfect. Add one right, one left. Let's go. In 4, 3, 2, bring them both. In 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it out, hold. Little pulse. Now try not to drop it. High biceps, let's go. You already proved you're strong. 1 in, 1 out. For 9-inch nails. Okay, who's here for Tron? Absolutely. Okay, perfect. We're gonna stand up. We're gonna take one final big breath in. Last question, who's here for both? I didn't even ask. There we go, I should have. Bring your hands down to your heart center. Put your hands on your chest. Close your eyes. Big breath in. Take a moment to acknowledge your hard work, your power. On your exhale, you send a little love and light to the real world. It needs it. And you take a big breath in, and one last time, y'all, make some noise for you.
I just got out of the class. It was so much fun. I haven't been cycling in almost 2 years now. I've just been running. So I was using different muscles that I haven't touched in literally years. I got way more sweaty than I thought I would. It was such a blast. And the class after this is actually Life of the Showgirl theme. So now I get to listen to the soundtrack for a little bit. Make sure you catch Tron Ares in theaters on October 10th. I'm really excited to go to a screening early next week, and I will definitely let you know what I think. I just got back from the event. I had an absolute blast. Like I said earlier, Tron Ares is going to be in theaters on October 10th, and the soundtrack is already available on streaming. It is an absolutely fantastic soundtrack. They definitely kept the Tron vibe alive. I highly recommend giving it a listen, and it's also a really great soundtrack if you're working out, if you're training for Run Disney, if you're also training for a marathon. It's really perfect for anything. Very high energy and motivating, and will definitely get you through the day. I'm also going to put a link to the trailer in the description. That way you can check out everything Tron Ares for yourself. That's all for this video. I will see you next time. Bye!